What is up, YouTube? It is Dark Beauty 9825 coming to you live, and today I'm just going to be doing a winter haul video for you guys. So this is just the stuff that I've got since like my Christmas break. And I was gonna make a part 1 and part 2 of this, but instead I'm just gonna make one big old haul. So this video might be long, and that's why the lighting might be different in these videos because I am also going shopping for a little bit today. So I'm gonna have more stuff to add to the haul. So this like first, I just wanted to film some stuff because I didn't know how much time I was gonna have after I come back from shopping. So that's why I filmed here in this natural light, and then later I think I'll have like lights on me because it's going to be like nighttime. So yeah, I'm just going to get right into this video because I just know this is going to be a long video. Most of the stuff that I got was like beauty related, but I did get a couple of like clothing items. But just to get this stuff out my hand, the first things that I'm going to show you is the stuff that I got that's already open. So I was gonna make a video showing you all like my first time putting on lashes, but then it just turned out a whole mess. I actually have them on right now. But yeah, the video turned out a mess and it literally got messy. Like I have lash glue everywhere. So I decided against making that video. It's too many fails. But I just have these lashes, and it's the Andrea, I believe it is, and it's 5 of a kind, and I just got like the most natural looking lashes. And then it came with the free lash applicator. And then also to go with the lashes from Myers, I had got a and all of this stuff that I got from Myers. I got a duo eyelash glue, and it's the one that you don't squeeze, but the one you it's like an applicator and you rub it against the lashes. So I got those from Myers. We went to one Myers and then we went to another Myers because my mama had to go grocery shopping and I guess they ran out of whatever. So of course I just went to the beauty section again, and another Myers had like a larger beauty section. So I have picked up some more lipstick in that same I already opened this, but I didn't use it. Oh yes, I did. So it's the Black Radiance lipstick, and this looks like the same color as the other one, but it's actually not. This is 5042, and that one's like 52, 51, something like that. So I just got like another maroon color. It looks a little bit more purple or more of like a deepish color, so it's definitely not the same color, although it is close. So I picked up another one of those, and then I got some tweezers from Kroger, and it was just for my lashes because I knew that I wanted to look at lashes. But I got the tweezers first, and I didn't know that the lash applicator had came with the lashes. So this was only like 99 cents at Kroger's. And then I picked up that same company as my lipstick, and I just got this mascara, and it's supposed to do like more than just look cute but also be something healthy for your eyelashes. But then again, a lot of makeup companies kind of push that, so that could just be, yeah. So the next place that I went to was Bath and Body Works, and I've actually just been going there like almost all the times that the 75% sale then started. But I'm just going to show you the things that I gotten yesterday. I just got this honey hand soap, and I just got it for me and my brother's bathroom. Because their soap literally is almost like a fragrance for your bathroom too. It makes your bathroom smell legit so good. So I got that. Then I got a spray in the scent Winterberry Wonder, which smells excellent. And then I got another spray that's like the same kind of design but a different scent, Frosted Snow Blossom. And they both kind of have like these fruity smells. And then I also got a body cream in Marshmallow Magic, and really what attracted me to this was the color of the bottle. Then when I smelt it, it was just like amazing. The next place that I went to was Marshall's, and I picked up a couple of things from there. The next thing that I got is this concentrated dark spot serum, and I basically got it because I just have dark spots in some areas around my face, and I don't really like to wear foundation all the time. So the foundation does kind of even out those dark spots, but I don't really like wearing foundation all the time. So I really just want my natural skin to be like an even tone. So I hope this works. Usually I get stuff that displays like my color girls on the box So I hope nothing drastic happens. I don't usually try stuff like this, but I mean, I'm just going to try it just to see. And it was only $3 at Marshall's. I love their clearance like beauty items for sure. And the next thing that I got was just this whole kit. I really didn't need the whole kit, but I wanted another makeup bag. And they did have some very cute ones, but then, and the very cute ones were like $8. But this whole thing was $8, and it came with the makeup bag anyway, and it says Kiss and Makeup, and I just really thought that was a cute little saying. And then it comes with the makeup brush, some eyeshadows, kind of like in those natural colors, and then some mascaras and a liquid eyeliner and some eyebrow pencils or eyeliner pencils. So I just got this whole thing mostly for this though. So that's the last thing I got from there. And then I just ordered some boots just like my black ones from Payless, and they just shipped in, so I didn't even open those yet. So I might just open those later because I don't feel like going to get scissors. So like I said, I was gonna be back and be in kind of different lighting. So I know this might be different lighting than the lighting it was before. So today I did go shopping, but I don't really want to call it shopping because I didn't really get anything since I've been shopping for like almost this past 2 to 3 weeks. So I didn't really find nothing that I wanted that I didn't already have, but I did get some shoes. They came to my house, so I'm just gonna kind of unbox it, and they're just some gray boots, but we're just gonna see if I like them or like how they turned out, or if the picture was different from online, which I'm pretty sure it's not, but we're just gonna see. This is the box right here, and I got my shoes from Payless, as you can see. Oh, why do I even put myself through this on camera? Like, y'all know I literally can't open anything. Oh, I finally got it open. Finally. Oh. Oh, this is my favorite brand at Payless too. So this is the box. It's the Fiona brand, and Fiona is my favorite brand at Payless. Fiona and Christina's something, I forgot. So I'm excited about that. These are over the knee boots, 10. So I'm just gonna take these out. They legit look exactly like my black ones that I got from JCPenney. So I'm gonna just show them to you. So my ones at JCPenney that I got from JCPenney's were a 9.5. Because I could fit the 9.5, but this one is a 10, and that's because I normally wear a 10. I have big feet. But hopefully these fit and aren't like too big. They shouldn't be too big because even my 9.5s, like, I could have gotten them in a 10, but they didn't hurt my feet when I got them in 9.5. So I'm like, hey, since they didn't have a 10, I got them. But just to show you, they look like this. And if you looked at my other haul, they legit are the same exact ones as my black boots, like with the string in the back and everything. So I tried them on and they fit. That order was definitely a success. I did mess my nails up. You probably cannot see it because it's a minor mess up, but me putting the shoes on did mess my nails up. I'm so mad. It is Derek Beauty 9825 signing out of this live. Bye.